Hello everyone, today I will share the tutorial of this earring. Need 8mm pearl, 3mm pearl, 4mm pearl, 6mm pearl, 1.5mm pearl, 2 hooks, 0.12mm fishing line, about 80 centimeters, 11 beads. Add 11 beads. Pass the empty needle through the first bead and knot with the other thread. Pass the bead through 2 more loops. After 2 loops, add 3mm pearl. Pass the bead through 2 loops. Use this method to pass through 11 beads. Add 1 bead in the middle of each bead. Add 3 seed bead in the middle of 5 pearls. 3 seed bead. Add to this pearl. Out the needle to the middle seed bead. Add 5 seed bead. Route out to this said bead. Add 4mm pearl in the middle of 5 beads. Pass the bead through the fishing line. Add 4mm pearl in the side and 6mm pearl in the middle. Pass the bead through the fishing line. Add 3mm pearl and 1 bead in the middle. Pass the bead through the fishing line. The top and bottom of the pearl is 3mm, the middle is 4mm. Add the hook and it's done.